Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this trailer axle with the Easy Grease spindles. This is going to be a great option for those of you who are needing to replace an axle on your trailer, or if you're building your own custom trailer and you're wanting to have more of a customized suspension system, this will work for that as well. But of course, there are lots of different sizes for axles, different weight capacities, that sort of thing. So you want to make sure you're getting the right one for you. This is a 3-inch diameter round steel axle beam. It's got a max weight capacity of 5,200 pounds for a single axle application. So if you have a single axle trailer, that would be your weight capacity. If you have a double axle trailer, obviously the weight capacity would be doubled. And then the next thing you want to consider to make sure it's going to fit for your trailer is going to be the length. So there are two ways of measuring the length, two very important numbers for you here. So the first is going to be measuring from our spring seats where our leaf springs attach to our axle. These are welded onto the axle, so it's going to be a nice static reference point for us to measure from. So from the center of one spring seat to the center of the other, it's going to be right at 74 inches. Keep that number in mind. The other way of measuring your axle is going to be from your hub face. So obviously this axle doesn't have the hubs installed. Those are sold separately. But if we were to install the hubs from right where the wheel is going to touch our hub, that's going to be our hub face. And from one hub face to the other, it's going to be right at 89 inches. So again, make sure that that's going to work for your trailer's application. If you need a higher weight capacity or a different weight capacity or a different length, we do have lots of other axles available here at etrailer.com. So make sure you're getting the right one for your application. So this axle does have a slight bend right here in the center. That's going to be our camber. That's going to ensure that as our trailer is under load, the angle of our wheels is going to be right on. So we're going to have direct wheel or tread to road contact across the full width of our tire. So we're not going to have to worry about uneven tire wear or being off balance and that sort of thing. It's going to be great for your straight line acceleration and towing. Our spindles are welded in place using a patented welding process. This allows the spindle to actually slide over the axle rather than butting up against it. So it's going to create about a 40% stronger weld, and it's also going to ensure that our spindle is properly aligned. So everything is going to be in alignment, and it's going to help reduce spindle failure or the chance of spindle failure. So a really great option there with that patented welding process. You can see our spindle is in the straight alignment. There's no drop to it. So it is going to be great for those applications where you need that straight alignment for your spindle. And this is an easy grease spindle. So you can see we've got that built-in grease zerk there. It's going to be super easy for us to just hook up a grease gun, pump some fresh grease into the cavity. It's going to come out through this hole here and fill up that cavity, make sure that everything is well lubricated for us in between our regular maintenance to make sure that the bearings and everything are all packed properly. This axle is pre-wired for electric brakes. So you can see we've got a double wire system here that runs from one side of the axle to the other side. So one less thing that you're going to have to run when you're installing your brakes. So that's going to be nice. Save you a step there. And then our spring seats, like I said, they are welded onto our axle. They are welded on the bottom of our axle. So that's going to allow us to mount our leaf springs in the underslung orientation, which will help to create a low ride height for our trailer, make it much easier to load and unload things into and out of our trailer. This does meet the CSA, QAI, and SAEN certified standards, so you can trust it is going to do what you need it to do. It's going to hold up well, I think you'll be very happy with it. It does come with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you were to have any problems with it, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at etrailer.com. We're always happy to work with our customers to make sure you're getting good quality products and having a good experience. So as long as that weight capacity and length fit your application, I think this is going to be a great way to go. I think you'll be very happy with it. That's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.